Now, does that mean that innocent people are pleading guilty? I don't think a lot of them are necessarily innocent, but some of them are. And I'll give you an example of how that happens. Okay. So let's say, you're a defendant and you have a long criminal history. Okay. So when they look at their sentence guidelines, you're way up there. Okay. Now you get arrested for a burglary, which is a felony. And when they look at your criminal history and this new felony, the range of your sentence might be 5 to 10 years. So you're looking at 5 to 10 years if you're convicted. Prosecutor comes along and says, you know what, this isn't a great case, but we'll offer you 1 to 2 years on a defiant trespass instead of a burglary. So now you have to sit there and say, well, do I want to go to trial where I could face 5 to 10 years? Or do I want to admit to something I didn't do? Now, this isn't the nicest guy in town. He has a history, but he didn't do this. He didn't commit this crime. But when he has to weigh, do I take 1 to 2 or possibly get 5 to 10? I'm going to take 1 to 2. I'm going to plead guilty to something I didn't do because I don't want to take the risk of a longer sentence. That happens. That happens, and it shouldn't. But it does. And so that's an example of when an innocent person pleads guilty because the system is built to make him shun that risk and take what's in front of him.